Good morning, my sweet friends. Happy E-Day and our ABC countdown, and happy Earth Day. Today is Earth Day, and it just so happened that it fell on E-Day in our countdown, and Earth begins with an E. How awesome. All right, let's go ahead and start our morning calendar. We are still in the month of April. Let's sing our April song. Sing a song of April, A-P-R-I-L. April is the 4th month and spring is here as well. Days are getting warmer, the flowers start to sprout. A-P-R-I-L, that's what April's all about. All right, if we go down to our balloon, what number is going to be underneath of our balloon? What number comes next? After 21 comes 22. If we take our pen, circle today, the 22nd, we go all the way up to circle the day of the week. What day of the week is it? Wednesday. Very good. Wednesday. Today is, come down here and find Wednesday. Yesterday was, today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. If today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay, let's read it all together. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Today is, if we sing our song to find the day of the week up here, there's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There it is, Wednesday. Let's find the blue word, which is the month, April. Now we need to write what number was underneath of our balloon. It was the number 22. And now we need to write or find the year. And yesterday, remember I asked you, do you remember if it's 2019 or 2020? It is 2020. Let's sing our song together. Repeat after me. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. April 22nd. April 22nd. 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. All right, how many days have we been learning at home? We need to add 1 to our tens frame up here. So if we add 1, how many are in our ones place? 6. Very good. 6. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And how many are in our tens place? 1, 2. So we need to write, let's try this again. We need to write a 2. There. So if we take our 2 and our 6 and put them together, what big number does that equal? 26. So if I ask you, how many days have we been learning at home? Your answer would be 26 days. Now it's time for us to erase one of our days here to see how many days are left in kindergarten. How many days are left after today? 21 days. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? If you look out your window, what is the weather like today at your house? If I look out of my window, I only see clouds. I don't see any sun out there today, and the clouds look pretty gloomy. They look very dark, like it might rain, but it's not raining right now, so I'm only going to graph cloudy today. April weather graph. I'm going to come all the way down, then find cloudy so that I can graph cloudy today. So now I have 1, 2, 3 cloudy days in the month of April. What is the temperature today? Today in Oakwood, Ohio, it is 40 degrees. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. There's my 40, and I can't forget to label degrees. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. What are the words? I have 2 old words and 1 new word today. Now open up our green square first. This is a word that we have been working on. This word is T-H-E-N, N, then. Then, another old word that we have been working on. Could, C-O-U-L-D, could. Now this is our new word. Do you know what that word is? You can separate this word into 2 groups. The TH is already a blend that you know. TH is th or th. This one is a soft TH sound, so we say th. Then if you look, ING is also another group that you know. ING, 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 ing. So we say ing. Put it together. Ing, thing. That word is thing, and you will find this word in one of the sentences that we are going to read today. Okay, let's start with our very first sentence. Today is Earth Day. Awesome. All right, let's fix this sentence. So if we go to the very beginning of our sentence, we know that we need a capital letter. So we needed to change that to a capital T. If you look at E and D in Earth Day, those are capitalized, and usually we don't want capital letters in the middle of our sentence, but since it's a holiday or a special day, we do capitalize it today. So it is correct for us to have a capital E and a capital D in our sentence, even though they don't start at the very beginning. One other thing that we need to fix with our sentence is to have punctuation at the end. Today is Earth Day. I'm going to put a period after that. Today is Earth Day. Let's go to our next sentence. We can do, oh, look, that's that new word, thing, but I put an S on the end, so we would say things. We can do things to there we go. So sorry, let's start at the very beginning on this one. We can do things to help the Earth on this day. All right, let's fix this sentence. We start at the very beginning of our sentence, and that word is we, but we need a capital letter. We can do things to help the earth on this day. And at the end, we need a period. I have a question for you. Should we take this O right here and make it capital? Should we take the O right here and make it a capital O? Yes or no? The answer would be no, because the O is not at the very beginning of our sentence. The very beginning of our sentence started with we. This does not end until this word right here. So we would not put a capital letter on that O. We can do things to help the earth on this day. Let's keep reading to our next sentence. What can you do today to help? All right, so what can you do today to help? Well, we need to fix this sentence first, so let's put a capital letter at the beginning of our sentence. What can you do today to help? We need punctuation at the end. What kind of punctuation do I need at the end of this sentence? It's a question, so I need to put a question mark. What can you do today to help? Well, in my picture, I have different things that we can do to help the earth. We can pick up all of the trash outside to help, make sure we wash our hands, or in our picture right here, they're wearing gloves to make sure that they don't get any germs on their hands from the trash. You could also plant something in your garden or plant a tree. This helps our earth. If you look at this picture right here, you can also recycle. You can recycle paper, you can recycle glass, aluminum, lots of things that you can recycle. And you can also reuse things. If you are doing a craft, instead of throwing away your scrap paper, you can try and use your scrap paper for another activity. So after our calendar, we're going to go ahead and go into our number talks. And today is Wednesday, so we are going to do Quick Images Wednesday. You are going to look at the picture, and I'm going to show you the picture for just a little bit. And then you're going to see if you can guess what number is shown. So I'll show you the first one. Okay, what number was shown? You are correct, 2, and it's on a domino, so that might help you. 2. All right, let's go to our next one. Ready? What number was shown? 4. Very good. Ready for our next one? How many dots were on that domino? 3. Very good. All right, ready? I'll move on to our next one. How many dots were on that domino? 4. I'm going to go back. Let's look at that domino again. Some of us probably saw that there were 3 over here and knew that 3 plus 1 altogether is 4. So instead of needing to count 1, 2, 3, 4, some of us were able to realize that this was 3 without even counting those dots. Let's go to the next one. How many dots were there? Right, 3 and 3 together equals 6. Thank you so much today. Have a great day. Happy Wednesday.